Good morning, students. So, in the previous lecture of angles and its measurements, we have studied what are coterminal angles, the different types of angles, the definition of angles, two very important formulas converting a degree angle into radian and a radian back to degrees. And we have studied exercise number 1.1, which was the application of degree to radian angles. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to study the next part of the chapter, which is probably the last part of the chapter, and it includes total three formulas related to circle, out of which the first formula will be the length of arc. So, you have already studied the formulas in your 10th standard. The only difference between the 10th standard formula and the 11th standard formula is in your lower standards, you took the angle which was in the measurement of degree system, but now in this year in the 11th standard syllabus you have to take the angle which is in the measurement of radians. It means that every time when you take the angle in this part, you have to convert the degree angle compulsorily into radians. So the first formula for today is length of arc given by a variable s, which is equal to r theta and radians. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इज इक्वल टू आर थीटा रेडियंस. अगर यहाँ पे आपको क्वेश्चन में डिग्री का एंगल दिया है तो कंपल्सरीली यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दैट बैक टू द रेडियंस. रेडियस विल बी इन सेंटीमीटर, मीटर और एनी अदर यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ, एंड इफ the radius is in centimeter, then compulsorily the length of arc will also be in the same unit because these two parameters share the same unit. The second formula for today is area of sector of a circle. सी अभी ये सेक्टर के फॉर्मूला का एरिया का फॉर्मूला भी आप लोग ने 10th स्टैंडर्ड में स्टडी किया है. The only difference over there, again I'll repeat, in your lower standards the area was calculated using degree measurement and यहाँ पे we have to calculate it using the radian measurement. So now area of a sector has two different formulas. It can be used according to the given variables, given conditions, out of which the most commonly used formula will be A is equal to half r square theta radians. रेडियस का स्क्वायर थीटा रेडियंस अपॉन 2, एंड इफ रिक्वायर्ड वी कैन चेंज दिस फॉर्मूला एंड वी कैन यूज द फॉर्मूला एज half rs. Now you will think, how did we derive this half rs? तो it is very simple. What I'll do is, यहाँ पे जो ये r square थीटा है वो r square थीटा को I'll split as r multiplied by r multiplied by theta. R square मतलब r multiplied by r multiplied by theta. But now what is r theta? We have already done over here. It is equal to s. So that r theta is replaced by s, and hence the formula is half rs. Understood? So two simple formulas. Length of arc s is equal to r theta. Area of a sector is equal to either half rs or half r square theta. And the third formula for this section, and probably the last formula, is perimeter of sector of a circle. The formula is P is equal to 2R plus S. Now you will say, how do we derive this formula? Actually ये formula का derivation आपके syllabus में नहीं है, but I'll just explain you how do we derive the perimeter of a sector of a circle. Assume करो कि I have a circle and using radius OA and radius OB I have derived a sector. Sector मतलब एक circle का छोटा सा part. Assume that this is the entire pizza, and if I cut this much portion, then that portion itself is called as the sector of a circle. अभी इसका मुझे क्या निकालना है? पेरीमीटर. तो पेरीमीटर निकालने के टाइम पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल राइट दिस आर द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल एंड दिस इज एस, दैट इज नथिंग बट द लेंथ ऑफ आर्क. ना पेरीमीटर, ये वर्ड का मीनिंग क्या है? द समेशन ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स. So यहाँ पे sector is made up of total 3 sides, out of which 2 are radius and 1 is s, that is length of arc. So अगर मैंने ये तीनों का addition कर दिया तो what do I get? R plus s, which is equal to 2r plus s. So this is how we have to calculate the length of arc using the first formula. Area of the sector, this is the entire sector, using these two formulas, and perimeter of a sector using this formula. Now यहाँ पे you have to make sure that you remember one note which is very compulsorily to be used. The note is angle should be calculated in radians. अगर आप लोग ने एंगल रेडियंस में कैलकुलेट नहीं किया है देन द एंटायर न्यूमेरिकल दैट यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व विल बी टेकन एज रॉन्ग इवन इफ यू हैव substituted the correct formula, even if you have substituted the correct variables of r and s, if you do not take the angle in radians, then that question is taken to be a wrong numerical. So now first make a note of all these formulas, and in the next lecture, next slide I would say, we'll start with the numericals.